you.
So excited to have you here.
Yes.
What a great way. I really mean it. I mean, there was so much energy in the crowd when you just came up to the front of the ramp. Love having you here. What was your reaction walking for Shantanu and Nikhil?
Oh, it was brilliant. I think my wife was quite surprised. She thought she was the only one walking. It was a last minute thing, but I'm so excited. I don't get the chance. I love Indian clothes, and I'm so excited about today because, like I said, you know, it's a look at the past. It's a look at the past, but it's also a look at the future. It's a mix. It's keeping our culture and you know, the good things about clothes, the good thing about our heritage alive somehow. And what I love about them is that they're simple clothes. There's a degree of austerity about them, and I think that is the key. I think, as you said backstage, that ostentatiousness is out, and I think austerity is in. And that's a very nice Indian attitude to have, and I'm very proud to be here. It was great fun. Thank you.
So, Saf, what is your fashion statement?
I don't know what you mean, fashion statement. I think if there's any fashion statement, it would be simplicity and comfort and style. So, I don't know if I ever try and make a fashion statement, but you have designers like Shantanu and Nikhil making it for me, I suppose, if I just wear it. I don't know what to tell you. This is the statement.
Saf, what were thoughts in your mind when you were walking the ramp?
Many things, like I wish that brooch would go on quickly. I hope I don't fall down. And where am I supposed to stop? Things like this, you know, very technical stuff.
Competitions, always show makes all be awesome.
Thank you.
Everyone looks forward to the show.
Thank you.
वैसे सब बहुत खुशी हो रहा है जिससे मैं बनाना था very exclusive
Thank you, I'm glad you liked it, my friend. I think this would suit you also very well. Thank you, sir. It's very kind of you. A permanent fixture, like a statue. It's not going to be a permanent fixture anymore. Yes, you know, but I don't know how my wife will feel about it. I think she has a contract with them. I think there should be a male line. Please tell them. A male line with me as the face. You know, Lakme is from the goddess Lakshmi. So if you give me any, you know, you give me some money, I'll do it. I'm leaving tomorrow to Rajasthan for 2.5 months.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Tomorrow you'll have Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan. I think the Grand Slams are best left to her.
Sumit, thank you so much. We have just one more question.
She's always giving me advice, Sumit.
Well, it's a privilege for me for sure, and I just saw her designs and they're so beautiful, and like I'm sure it has taken a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of hard work to make those pieces, and I'm so happy that she chose me to be her showstopper.
Very much in need for that showstopper thing as well. You look absolutely gorgeous. I could not
Thank
say
you,
enough.
all because of her.
Media, if we have any questions.
Does it define my personality? Well, yeah, somehow, because it's very pretty. I like to wear something simple. The color is beautiful. I think the theme is called Summer of Love. And I like lovely clothes, and I like romantic, and the feel is also romantic and boho. So somehow it goes with my personality for sure. I don't have any style statement. I like to be in my track pants and my sports attire. Whole day I'm doing something like physically, charging my body, doing some kind of workout. So I like to be in comfortable clothes. But of course, when I go out for some event, I have to dress up in a certain way. Then I can actually experiment with my styling.
The ramp for Anushri.
It's a lot easier to play tennis, I have to say, because it comes more naturally to me. But I enjoy doing this stuff, and finally, that's the first thing me and Anushri said. I've been trying to walk for her for I don't know how many times, and every time I'm not there. So finally, it worked out, and us obviously, being from Hyderabad, it was a perfect match, and yeah, I feel really pretty in pink.
Thank you so much for that. Media, over to you. Do you have any questions for our beautiful designers?
Well, I think that some nerves were there, which is good because those are happy nerves, I guess. And yeah, I just didn't want to trip on my face, really, because that's not something that I would like to do. But it was, to be honest, I have a lot of fun doing this kind of stuff as well, even though it doesn't come so naturally to me. But when you feel that pretty, thanks to her outfit, I think it makes things a lot easier. No, nothing. She didn't tell me anything. I kept asking her if I'm looking okay. She's one of the more relaxed designers that I've worked with. My fashion statement, I would love comfort. I mean, comfort is something that is very important to me when it comes to fashion.
Thank you so much for that.
Honestly, यार मुझे ना फैशन की इतनी समझ नहीं है. मेरी टीम बहुत अच्छी है. I have a really good team around me. I have very good stylists and very good designer friends. And so for me, fashion is about, of course, looking good, but it's also about being comfortable. So there's not really a single person, but obviously in India, I think that if you talk about fashion, the first name that comes in your mind is Sonam Kapoor. So that's something that is, I think, unanimous.
talking about not the flower actually, but the garden of flower herself. Sushmita, you look absolutely gorgeous. We have to hear from you. You're so confident on the ramp. And this time around as well, you brought the charm, the whole royal ambience. You set the stage on fire. Love to hear from you. What was it like walking this time around?
Can I take you home? Please, because I need to hear this. No, you. I have to first take you home. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magical. I always love walking the ramp at LFW and especially in Mumbai. For me, it's magical because I feel like this is, as I was just mentioning to Satya right there, I feel like I'm home with my family and people that just are rooting for you. So it's just easy to be confident on a ramp like that when apne ghar ke log baithe hain sab. And the warm welcome was just so very special. As for looking royal, it's very easy with the House of Kotwara. And if you look at what I was wearing today, the magic of something so elegant and royal is that it does not have to scream out elegance and royal. It's understated. First rule of being royal. By the way, I am sitting next to a king. And so, you knew that, right? Yeah. So, my kind of king, though, I have to say. Because he empowers people. And tonight, his entire family, I'm very fond of Meera, very, very fond of Sama, who's taken great pains to make all of this happen. Just want to quickly say thank you to both sides of the team, my team, their team, because it took a lot of preparation to get this right. And that you liked it, finally, makes me very, very happy. Thank you.
सुष्मिता, मैंने शो देखा, बहुत डैज़लिंग शो था, बहुत ही अमेजिंग शो था. मुझे लगा कि ये ख़त्म ना हो, चलता जाए, थोड़ा वक्त और चले. मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि मुज़फ़्फ़र सर की फिल्म का ही गाना इस्तेमाल किया गया था.
I'm glad you noticed.
या उस पर कोरियोग्राफ किया गया था, इसलिए इसका इफेक्ट ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. तो इसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? और सर, आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि इस पर ही कोरियोग्राफ हो सारा शो पूरा?
I want to answer this. Should I answer it? So, thank you so much for noticing and asking about that. So, we had a beautiful soundtrack, pure show ke liye, which was already decided. Ab you've got Meera, Sama, me in one room, and we are listening to what we are going to do with the track in the preparation mode. And we said, na sirf hame in aankhon ki masti pe chalna chahiye, balki uske original version par chalna chahiye. No remixes, no artificial enhancement. This is just what it is. It's magical. And it's not an era gone by. It's history. History comes back and celebrates itself. So it was such an honor to be walking for the House of Kotwara as this showstopper and to have the director of the film, Umrao Jan, agreeing to let me walk to a song. I was 6 years old when the film released. 1981. I was 6 years old and my entire family and all aunties that came home, जिनको भी थोड़ी सी भी उर्दू आती थी, सब ये गाना गाते थे कि मुझे गाना आता है. तो जब मैं बड़ी हुई थोड़ी, तो मुझे इस गाने के मायने समझ में आने लगे. इसमें जो बात है वो कुछ और ही है. But as a child, I grew up dancing to it. So today my parents would be very excited to see me walk the ramp to this song. It was a dream come true. We changed this track last minute. It wasn't actually supposed to be this. But I'm so grateful to all three of them because they agreed to do this on an instant, even though we were going to walk on a different track. Hannah, actually you have to hear from Meera on this because you weren't there for that one.
No, I think Sushmita was absolutely spot on when she said, why don't we do this? And then I went back and I said, oh no. Because, for me, I've heard it so often. It's part of my life. And I said, not again. But then when I slept over it and I thought about it and I said, it has to be, it cannot be anything else. And I think she's done more than justice to walking on that ramp. Much more than I could have imagined.
Sushmita.
Yeah. It's good to see you again.
Thank you. आज तो मर गए मैं. क्या सितम ढाया है आपने?
अरे ये सवाल कर रहे हैं कि
हाय माशाल्लाह. अबे मैं ये
वो आपके आदाब करने का जो तरीका है बहुत खूबसूरत है. हो जाए? रेडी?
आपसे खूबसूरत कुछ हो पाया क्या?
नहीं, कोशिश तो करिए. रेडी? 1 2 एंड शाबाश. ये हुई ना बात. थैंक यू सो मच जान मेरी.
इतना आईना मत देखा करो, वरना आपकी खूबसूरती और नज़ाकत से दिल तो टूटते हैं, किसी दिन आईना भी टूटेगा.
हाय हाय, ये तैयार करके आए थे, अभी भी याद किया?
आप खुद एक गज़ल हो, लिखते जाते हैं सब.
अरे क्या बात है, ज़य नसीब. शुक्रिया.
सुष्मिता, was it impromptu, like looking at the cameramans and then saying इस शहर में तुम जैसे?
It was very in the moment. Lubna should be around when you see this, because Lubna always tells me, the choreographer and my teacher, she's been teaching me ramp walk since I was a baby. She always says, "Haath niche," because I do anything. Like he was very correctly saying, Mr. Ali was just saying, absolutely right. I can just do anything on a ramp. But she was like, "Haath niche, be elegant, don't do this, don't do that." But इस गाने से इतनी मोहब्बत है मुझे कि रहा नहीं गया. Like रहा ही नहीं गया. आपने देखा? आप करके बताएं. क्या किया मैंने? इस शहर में तुम जैसे. So I actually looked at all of them.
Last one will be to you, but before that, sir, sir, एक और उमराव हो जाए.
हम लोग कह रहे थे कि एक और गमन हो जाए. इस शहर में हर शख्स परेशान सा क्यों?
But any plans कि like, sir, any plans कि like one more with Sushmita this time?
कुछ भी हो सकता है. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
नहीं, थोड़ा elaborate बनिए, तभी न्यूज़ बनेगी.
अब देखिए, क्या आप हेडलाइन की तलाश कर रहे हैं?
सोचा है आपने ऐसा?
जी
जी, मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ कि
बस मेरा काम ही सोचने का, हर वक्त सोचता रहता हूँ. अब क्या निकल के आता है मुझे मालूम नहीं. आज जो शाम थी वो भी कभी शायद ख्वाब में तो देखी होगी ना.
Sushmita, as we end, can we have the song from your vocal cords? 2 लाइन.
खुद ही एंड कर रहे हैं.
जी शो स्टॉपर थी तो वोकल कॉर्ड तो घर पे छोड़ के आई. गाना थोड़ी ना गाना था आज. No, I don't sing. And I sing in the bathroom really well because I have the echo. But जानेमन ये ना नहीं होगा, गाना नहीं होगा, बैठा हुआ है थोड़ा भावकारी है. But मैं किरत की हद से गुजर गया. मैं किरत की हद से गुजर गया. गमे दो जहां से गुजर गया. गमे आशिकी तेरा शुक्रिया. मैं कहाँ कहाँ से गुजर गया. Next time I sing.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Janmari. You guys have really made me feel wonderful. Thanks a ton. Really, it was all so worth it. Like I was saying, there was a lot of effort. बहुत मेहनत लगी थी क्योंकि there are a lot of little things here that have been tucked, pinned, put for the entire look to come together. And also the jewelry was flown down between Mumbai and Hyderabad, and we wanted a certain kind of look. And I have never done this, like a full naat in the whole look. I felt like a princess come bride walking down an aisle with my family on both sides. It was a very memorable evening.
Ma'am, whenever you come to the ramp, you are always confident and there is some glow in your face. What's the secret about it?
I'm basically a happy person. I think sometimes makeup covers it up. If you see me without makeup, I glow even more. So I think it's just being happy.
What was the first thing come on your brain while walking on the ramp?
Brain में क्या आया था? सोचो. Honestly, मैं जब just before I got on to the ramp, this nut just decided to do that in the middle of everything. And I don't have a nose, pierced. I don't have the nose pierced, so ये गुस्सा नहीं है basically. So I was like, please, बस गिरना नहीं, सबके सामने गिरना नहीं. It's such a beautiful look, and somehow you know, ऊपर वाला बहुत मदद करता है. When you work so hard for the little things, God bless Sama and Meera, they really brought different parts of India together to make this showstopper happen. But it would not have been the same without the energy of the people in there. That includes members of media and people sitting on both sides. It was just so amazing, including the models backstage. They were just so lovely. It was a good energy.
You were a pro on the runway. So now also do you feel jitters before, you know?
Oh, I always have nervous energy. My mama used to always say, वो मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी और स्कूल में elocution competition में जाती थी या कुछ भी करती थी, you know, on stage, mama would always say, तुम रहने दो. स्टेज में बैक स्टेज में खड़े होकर डर लग रहा है मामा, यो आई थिंक माय स्टमक इज अपसेट, आई डोंट फील गुड, आई सांस नहीं आ रही है. एंड देन मामा वुड से स्टेज पे कदम रखो, पर्सनैलिटी बदल जाती है तुम्हारी. विच हैज़ नेवर चेंज्ड. व्हेन आई गेट ऑन द स्टेज आई से दुग्गा दुग्गा एंड देन आई से ओके ना शो टाइम. Then everything changes, but backstage I still have nervous energy. I bite my nails and all.
Still. Evening, Sushmita.
Yeah, thank you, Janmari.
Thank you. Sushmita, when can we see all of you three together walking the road at Lakme Fashion Week? Both of your daughters.
Oh, baby, that would have to wait a little longer because my elder one's right now in school, finally doing her boards. So she's very, very busy with that. The younger one is here tonight.
Okay.
And she did one adab to me while I was walking. I think you might have seen the little one. She told me today, as I told her 5 days ago for her sports day, be brave. Don't worry about it. Jo bhi hoga dekhenge. Just get on there and do your best. She turns around. She's 8 years old. Be brave. Get on there and do your best. Everything is going to be fine. I think someday I hope to bring both of them back on the ramp. Hopefully next year, once the elder one is freer and the younger one is, well, also freer. She has a busy life.
We see lots of you on internet and आप हमें तड़पाती हैं ताकि और चाहत बढ़े.
देखिए, distance does make the heart grow fonder, but distance geography में कभी नहीं होगी, और होगी भी तो दिलों में नहीं होगी. So I'm on social media to make sure that people stay in touch with me and I stay in touch with them, because I love all my 3 accounts, but Instagram especially, because a lot of these people have seen me through really hard times and they don't even know it. You know, sometimes you just go through very difficult, trying times in your life, and 1,000 of them leave 1,000 comments and it wakes you up and you say, इतनी मोहब्बत करते हैं सब आपसे, इतना सोचते हैं आपके बारे में, आप ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हैं? Get up, wash your face, get down to business again. They believe in you. So I just want to say, social media, thank you. People there, thank you. You've been a source of huge strength for me, always.
लोग आपके फैशन को फॉलो भी बहुत करते हैं. You are so confident. रैंप की बात करें या आपके इंस्टाग्राम में किस सेट सेशन पे लोग बहुत फॉलो करते हैं. कुछ फैशन टिप्स देना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस को, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसे हैं जो स्टाइल लेते हैं लेकिन उनके वो जचता नहीं है.
फैशन के लिए सबसे पहला रूल, ये बहुत समझदारी का रूल है, पैर उतनी फैलाओ जितनी चादर. मैगजीन पढ़ेंगे, टीवी देखेंगे और कहेंगे अब ये चाहिए. इट्स गुड टू हैव एस्पिरेशंस इन लाइफ, बट यू शुडंट बी मिसगाइडेड, बिकॉज ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है दुनिया में जो आप पे अच्छी नहीं लगेगी द डे यू डिसाइड आई वांट टू वेयर समथिंग लाइक दिस, नॉट दैट. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2, always keep your ears and eyes open for things that feel good. And that could be a pair of jeans, but if you feel good and you want it, then you get out and get it. Not because it's on the cover of a magazine or a Bollywood actor is wearing it. It may not look good on you. Do what looks good on you. Be an individual.
Today you have walked the ramp on...
What is your next aspiration that you have an eye on?
Oh, I have a long list, Janmari. I have a long list. I'm like that, 12 years old in my head. I have a few things to do. I have to do a film with which I can take a bow. I would like to give back all the love and the crazy, you know, actors at a certain age, unfortunately, actresses, they say their careers are over because of an age factor or that bahut dekh liya, screen age aa gaya. I am one of those very blessed people जिनको आज भी लोग कहते हैं आप कब आ रहे हो फिल्म में, you know, so I owe it to them. चाहे वो 5 लोग हो या 5,000, I have to do a film for them and I have to make sure that the film is a huge hit for the people who waited for it. So I'm taking my time, but I will do that. That's one of my aspirations. I want to learn skiing. I want to learn the parallel bars in gymnastics. I want to go back to diving. I have a long list.
Subscribe to Movie Talkies and click on the bell icon for latest updates.